Welcome back to another video from Garage Mods and Builds. Today's video, we are going to be testing out a Sportfish oil filter cutter. Why would you need one? Let's say you get an engine that is blown, i.e. stop working through a rod, something, or it just comes in and you want to figure out if there was metal going through the oil system. This right here, perfect for the job. So there you can pull the filter out, check in between it, no metal. All right, so you get these on Amazon, and I'll post the link in the description. They run anywhere between $24 to $29. Pretty handy. So hope you guys go check it out and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you. Go ahead and cut it.